Definition of food and types of food. Food is a substance consumed by living beings to obtain the nutrients needed by the body. These nutrients include carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, and minerals, all of which are necessary for growth, tissue repair, and energy. Food can come from both animal and plant sources and is prepared in various ways to become dishes ready for consumption. Types of food. Staple foods. Staple foods are the primary sources of energy for a specific group of people. These foods are usually rich in carbohydrates. Example: rice bread, corn. Side dishes. Side dishes are complementary foods that are typically rich in protein and fat. They can come from both animal and plant sources. Example: fried chicken, fried tempeh, grilled fish. Vegetables. Vegetables are parts of plants consumed as food. They are rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Example: spinach, broccoli, carrots. Fruits. Fruits are the results of plants that contain seeds and can be eaten. Fruits are rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Example: apples, oranges, bananas. Dairy products. Dairy products are foods derived from animal milk. These products are rich in calcium, protein, and vitamin D. Example: milk, cheese, yogurt. Processed foods. Processed foods are foods that have been altered or processed in various ways, making them different from their original form. Example: sausages, nuggets, chips. Healthy and unhealthy foods. Healthy foods. Healthy foods provide the necessary nutrients for the body without containing harmful or excessive substances. They are usually rich in vitamins, minerals, fiber, and low in saturated fats and sugars. Unhealthy foods. Unhealthy foods are high in calories, saturated fats, sugars, and salt. Excessive consumption of these foods can lead to various health problems such as obesity, heart disease, and diabetes. By understanding the types of food and choosing healthy options, we can maintain our body's health and improve our quality of life.